So after the enforced weekend off, back to action against Llandudno on Saturday. Much forward to the game.
Yeah, looking forward to it. It's never nice having a week out of football, definitely. So looking forward to it. It'll be a really tough game. Obviously, at this stage of the season, they're probably one of our main competitors. So yeah, it'll be really tough. But I think everyone's buzzing and looking forward to it, feeling fresh, really.
Last two games managed to get 5 goals and a few records have been broken club-wise and looking going to be broken league. It's impressive. And how you feeling that one?
Yeah, really good. Yeah, I wasn't too sure about the club one until I saw that on the Twitter earlier today. So I'm happy. Obviously, I broke that. Obviously, the next target's the league one, definitely. But again, it's just taking it game by game. I think obviously the Llandudno and Guildford are next two tough games. Really, obviously the most important thing is the 3 points, and that record will go on the back burner for the time being, really.
Like you said, next two games are Llandudno and Guildford, so both top of the table contenders. So it's a mouthwatering one for them.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, the next two fixtures should be really good. I think everyone's buzzing and looking forward to them, really.
And just as going back to September, we played them and beat Llandudno in the cup, so it should give a lot of confidence even with the injuries we possibly got.
Yeah. It was a good performance. I thought. On reflection, they were really strong as well. It was probably one of our toughest games that we've had so far. So Saturday, by all means, we're all prepared. We all know that it's going to be a tough place to go, and I think they've won 9 on the spin in the league, so they're going to be full of confidence also. But yeah, it's we're going there again, like I said, fresh off the back of obviously not playing last week, and again we should be going there full of confidence.
And before the weekend off, we were on a 9-game league win this week, so hopefully make it 10 on Saturday.
Yeah. Touch wood, that's the aim. But yeah, be really tough fixture.